Hello, Bearable Traders. This is Vicer. It's March 13th, 2020, and this is the trade recap for my Apple options trade. This started off as a swing trade this week where I put on a position. I'll highlight that here. On March 10th, I sold the 240 put, collected a $1.07 credit. 2 days later, on March 12th, I closed that. I rolled it. So I rolled that option forward in time from March into May. So from March 13th into May 15th options contracts. And so this was a single roll where the 240 put was closed and the 200 put was opened. I collected $6.64 credit here. And today I closed that swing trade position at, my time is Mountain Standard Time, so Eastern Time. This is 3:59 and 34 seconds. I actually put the order in probably about 3:59 and just waited for it to get filled. The order was closed so I bought the 200 put back for $5.50. So the difference is I sold it for $6.64. I bought it back for $5.50. So the credit that I received in total from this particular trade was $6.64 minus $5.50, so that's $1.14. So in total for this entire swing trade for this week, I collected $1.07 here, and then I collected $1.14 here on this other options trade. The other trades you see here are some stock trades, just quick in and out scalps. It amounted to basically a scratch, so it's really nothing to pay attention to. So the total credit received for this swing trade for this week was $2.21 approximately. I'll go ahead and show you the charts on this in case you're interested. The top chart here is the Apple 200 put for May 15th. This is the price chart for today for that particular option, and it's a 1 minute chart. Down below in the second chart is the Apple stock price for today and a 1 minute chart. So the key takeaways on this chart is you can see that the range today for the option was up around $10.67 all the way down to $5.50, and price ranged from, let's just say, the low of approximately $252 all the way up to a high of $279.92. So the stock had approximately a 35-point range, maybe 37-point range, and the option out in May, the 240 put, had approximately a $5 range. Here you can see that this is what I showed you on the other screen. This is where I bought that contract back for $5.50. What you can't see, but if your eyes can point to it, over here on the left-hand side, if you watch when I hover over this price, on the left-hand side you can see the volume. The volume is 1. That is the contract that I bought back. So most likely a computer took that trade, and you can see it here. So I just wanted to recap this entire swing trade for this week and demonstrate how you, as a trader, can trade options. If you don't have the ability to sit in front of a computer for during normal trading hours, but you have a few minutes here and there, maybe breaks or lunchtime if you're working, or breaks with your family, that you can take some trades, you can make some swing trades, you can take a low risk trade, and the reward isn't going to be that significant. But if you make $200 a week on a trade like this, or in realistically 3 days, that's not a bad trade. You're not going to get rich making this type of trade. However, maybe it's a little bit of spending money for you, or it's help building up your trading account or your retirement account. So this week was a tough week for many of us, and I hope all of you had a great week, and I hope you have a great weekend. And there's always going to be next week. So I'll see all of you in chat, and have a great weekend. Thanks for watching my videos, and just want to say goodnight and goodbye.